So hello and welcome to the CDO Magazine interview series. I'm Jason Masker with Stratascale. We are partnering with CDO Magazine, MIT CDO IQ, and the International Society of Chief Data Officers in a series of interviews. Today, I have the pleasure of speaking with Faker Zouaoui, Chief Analytics Officer at Asurion. Faker, how's it going today?
Good, thank you. Pleasure to be here.
Tell us a little bit about your role at Asurion and your work there as the Chief Analytics Officer.
Thanks, Jason. First, I want to briefly introduce to you and the audience Asurion. Asurion is a global tech care company that provides insurance, repair, replacement, and support for a wide variety of technology, from mobile phones and laptops to major household appliances. We operate in about 18 countries and serve more than 300 million customers to get the most out of their technology. For my role, I joined Asurion in early 2015 in a new role as a Chief Analytics Officer. And the primary objective is to build and lead the analytics and data science teams at Asurion. In this role, I primarily set the strategic priorities of the function and try to identify new business opportunities based on data and science in close collaboration with all the business units.
Okay, so your primary responsibility is the data science, and does that include all analytics, business reporting?
Yes, it does. It does all analytics and data science teams. All spectrum, the full spectrum of analytics, from descriptive all the way to prescriptive components of analytics.
So what are some key ways you're supporting the business? What are some of your key projects right now?
Yeah, so a few things I think I wanted to briefly touch on our engagement model with the business, which I think is important and unique. The team focuses primarily on three main things. We enable the business to make smarter decisions every day with the data and the insights we provide. We try to create differentiated data products to improve the customer experience. And equally important is driving operational improvements using AI, machine learning, and other advanced analytical techniques. So the close collaboration with the business is key here, and we work very closely to prioritize and tie our analytical outcomes to very specific business objective, and continuously measure those towards the success of those outcomes and quantify them and measure them and how they create value to the business. Happy to share some examples too. Maybe the first that comes to mind of some of our key initiatives is our close efforts with our customer solutions organization, where nearly 9,000 experts engage monthly with millions of customers to solve their technology problems. My team has developed several NLP, or natural language processing models, by mining in real time all the calls to automatically understand the customer intent and the behaviors of the expert that supports those customers. And this helped us to build several proactive tools that help serve the customer better and faster, and drive also operational efficiencies. The second example that I'm really equally excited about is about our data literacy program. About a year ago, we launched this program to ensure that the users of data inside Asurion, and there is thousands of them, they could be employees, they could be leaders that are leveraging data every day to make better decisions, and they could be also interns or students from several colleges we work with. We deliver a lot of content to them through online learning platforms, or even classroom type sessions where we engage and teach those classes in several areas like machine learning or data visualization, for example.
Yeah, so you're actually enabling across the business. This is material and training you're providing across the organization as a whole, not just within your own team, correct?
Yes, no, definitely. The intent are all data users at the company, and at different levels. They could be analysts, they could be executives. There is a very strong data-driven culture in the company, and people use those decisions. So there are a lot of tools that we provide into how to visualize data effectively, storytelling with data. Some technology developers are deploying machine learning applications, and they want to learn more about machine learning. So we engage in increasing the maturity and knowledge of employees around data and the use of data. We found that very useful and helped us a lot to engage closer with the business unit and even expand our impact to the business by educating all the employees about data.
Are you offering that on a voluntary basis or some of it mandatory, a little both?
It's mandatory for some folks, I would say primarily in product and technology teams, but slowly we found a lot of appetite for a variety of teams in finance, HR, and even in operational teams that they would love to participate and engage. So it became now more of voluntary courses that they can sign up and take anytime they want.
Well, thank you, Faker, for joining me today. And please visit cdomagazine.tech for additional interviews.